Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to add calendar in Google Sheets. First step, open a Google Sheets and on that cells you want to add calendar, one click on it and on the top click on data and click on data validation. Now in your right we have a data validation rules. Click on add rule. Now in criteria click on drop down arrow and scroll down and choose is valid date. Click on it. Now as you see, these rules will apply to this range, which means that cells of that column we choose. Now click on done and with your mouse drag these rules for any cells you want use calendar. For example, until 20 cell and left your mouse. Now if you double click on that cell in this column, you can access the calendar and pick your date. For example, I choose this one. And for another cells, back to December and choose any date. And as you see, this calendar apply for this column. For any column, and you must again following these steps and add this rule. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more video. Thanks for watching.